Hello lovely people, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this look. It's very sparkly, it's very dramatic, we have a really intense eyeliner involved, but I'm loving it. I've been really enjoying wearing more dark eye looks lately, and you can definitely tell that in my videos. And this is my last makeup tutorial for 2018. Wow, 2018 is almost over, can you believe that? I can't be the only one who feels like time flies way too quickly. We can't really do anything about it. That's the scariest part. The truth is that this is my last makeup tutorial for 2018, but it's not my last video for this year. I'm planning on doing a Instagram inspired makeup look, and I don't know if you have seen my last Instagram inspired makeup look video, but it was dramatic, and I'm planning on going for something as dramatic as that or even more. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be good. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do it now. Hit that red subscribe button, press the bell button next to it, and now that you have done that, let's go ahead and move on to the tutorial on this look. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids. I'm gonna use this CoverGirl Lid Lock Up eyeshadow primer, and I'm using my fingers to press it into the skin and blend it evenly all over the eyelid. This CoverGirl eyeshadow primer has a very similar consistency to my favorite Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. They feel quite similar. However, the Fenty one is transparent, where this one gives you a little bit coverage. Now that the eyes are primed, we can move on to the eyeshadows. I'm grabbing my E.l.f. 90 Smooth eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna start off by applying this color in my crease. I'm taking it on a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe R39. And first, I'm going to press that eyeshadow in my crease. And then when most of the product is on my skin and there's barely anything left in the brush, I'll start using small circular motions and diffuse that color. Now, if you use that particular CoverGirl eyeshadow primer, you will notice that your eyelids feel a little bit more sticky after applying it. And that's great for the eyeshadows because it will make the color to come out a lot more intense and beautiful, but it might be a little bit more difficult to blend out your eyeshadows. However, don't really worry about that because there are two things that you can do. The first one, if you want to get rid of that stickiness, you can just use some face powder and set that eyeshadow primer and then move on to the eyeshadows. Or if you want to get the most of it, do what I just did. First, build up the intensity by pressing that eyeshadow on your eyelids, and then once you barely have anything left on your brush, start diffusing it. When the eyeshadow primer makes your skin feel sticky, that really helps with the colors of the eyeshadow. It just boosts them. That's what it's made for, right? Now you can see that this eyeshadow has some sheen in it in the pan, but on my eyelid it looks nice and matte. Magic! No, I'm just kidding. But when you use a fluffy brush to apply some shimmery eyeshadows, they're coming out more to the matte side. Now, I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna press that on my eyelid. Just like this. What a difference, right? It looks like a different eyeshadow. So you can have one eyeshadow, and depending on the tools that you use to apply it, it can look so differently. Like look, on my eyelid it looks shimmery. Not exactly shimmery, but you can definitely see that it has some sheen in it. Where in my crease, where I used a fluffy brush to apply it, it looks matte. So cool, right? Now I'm just taking that same fluffy brush that I used to apply that eyeshadow in my crease. That's the Morphe R39. And I'm just going to make sure that there is no harsh line between the crease and the lid area. Just making sure that everything looks even and nicely blended. I'll also bring that same eyeshadow along my lower lashes. So you can definitely call this a look, one eyeshadow, super simple. I mean, it does look a little bit sloppy because I'm not planning on stopping here, but what I'm trying to say is that you can definitely create an eye look using one eyeshadow. It's not impossible. This is the proof. Now, let's do something fun. I'm taking this BH Cosmetics Loose foiled pigment in the shade Diamond Dazzlers. Guys, this is amazing. I think that BH Cosmetics did an amazing job with these. They're so good. However, what makes them complicated to use is that you need to apply them on top of some kind of a glitter glue in order to make them stick on your eyelids. So I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Base Booster, and this is going in the inner half of my eye, like right here. Oh, I got some of it on my lashes. No. Don't worry, it's not as sticky as, let's say, the eyelash glue. It's nothing like that. It doesn't feel like super duper sticky. Don't be scared. In fact, this not only works great with glitters and loose shimmers and stuff like that, but it can also be really useful with pressed metallic eyeshadows, shimmery eyeshadows, just anything that is shimmery. If you apply it on top of this glitter glue or any kind of glitter glue, it will make it pop. It will make it shine like the sun. So I'm taking some of that loose foiled pigment. It's going right on top of that glitter glue. I'm pressing this, as you can see. I'm not trying to move it around, just pressing it to my skin. Boom! Super pretty, right? Shimmers! I've used this BH Cosmetics pigment in another video that I did, and I loved how the look came out. It was so pretty that I needed to do one more look with this. It's a gem. It's something between glitter and shimmer, because I can definitely see that it has more like large pieces of glitter, but it's something in between. It's like foiled pigment with some glitters inside. I don't know, I think that it's gorgeous. Okay, next, to add some darkness to this look, I'm taking this Mr. Right eyeliner pencil by the Balm, and I'll start off by applying it very closely to my lashes, and then I will smudge it using just a small smudging brush like this one. And after I'm done blending, I'm going to apply one more layer and blend it out again just to build up the darkness. So first I'm applying this in the outer corner of my eye, just like a smoked out eyeliner, but I want it to be big and dramatic. You can definitely keep it more toned down by smudging it just very closely to your lashes, but I want to make it intense. Okay, so this is what you want to have. Now I'll go ahead and extend it into a smoked out winged eyeliner. I know that it sounds kind of complicated, but it's not. I'm taking half of my shadow shield. You can use just some tape for this. You want to have something that will help you create a nice sharp line here. Now I'm taking again that same the Balm pencil, and I'm going to extend that. Blending it out again, just dragging this towards the tail of my brow. And this eye pencil is so easy to smudge, it's like butter. And then when you remove it, boom, nice sharp line. Don't worry if the eyeliner is not coming out even on both of your eyes. You can always take some of the black eyeshadow from the palette, or any black eyeshadow that you have, and use it to set that eye pencil in place, and also do any adjustments that you need to do. If you feel like you can't really smudge that black eyeliner, just take some of that first brown eyeshadow that we used and apply it right on the edge of that eyeliner. And because this is the only brown eyeshadow that we used on the eyelid, it won't look weird. It will just, help you blend your eyeliner. It will make your life easier. I'm also bringing that same the Balm pencil in my waterline. You know what this look needs? Lashes. It needs lashes. Let me get my lash curler. I give my lashes a nice quick curl, and then I'll coat them with some mascara. If you don't feel comfortable wearing falsies, you can definitely stop here, but I'll go ahead and add a pair of false lashes. I'm just so used to them. Once you start wearing them, It's addictive, you can't stop after that. Oh wow, these lashes are beautiful. I cut quite a lot of them. Like, see, I chopped all of these off. But that's okay. These are by Rouge and Rouge. This is the packaging. They have quite unique style. And this is the first time that I'm wearing them. I have this e.l.f. 80s vibe palette. This has a little bit more colorful shades inside. You know, we have some pink, some blue, some purple, where the one that I use today, the 90s style, is a little bit more dark, a little bit more like a night out makeup kind of palette. So I really like this bright, almost white eyeshadow. It's super shimmery, so I'm gonna take a small pencil brush and I'm gonna bring that in the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone, just to add some more brightness. To finish up this look, I'm lining my lips with a lip liner by Nabla in the shade Closer, and I'm also adding just a little bit of a lip gloss. This one is my favorite. It's the Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty and the shade is Diamond Milk. You guys know that I'm loving this lip gloss lately. I've used it in so many of my videos. And this is our final look. I haven't attempted to do a smoked out winged eyeliner for so long. I think that this kind of eye look is very suitable for my eye shape. It just, you know, makes my eyes look more lifted, makes them look bigger. I'm just loving this look so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you liked the look, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget that bell button next to the subscribe button, because if you click it, you're going to be notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you're having an amazing holiday season so far, and I hope that 2019 is going to be wonderful for you. If you're interested in seeing more of me, you can find me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All of the links are down in the description box, as well as all of the products that I'm wearing on my face. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!